Brake pads are one of the most crucial components for your car's safety, and knowing when to replace them is vital. Over time, brake pads wear down, and if they aren't replaced, you can damage your rotors or worse, lose braking power. So, how can you tell when your brake pads need to be replaced? First, listen for a high-pitched squealing sound when you press the brake pedal. Most brake pads are designed with a wear indicator that makes this noise when the pad material gets thin. If you hear a grinding noise, it likely means the pads are completely worn out and the metal backing is rubbing against the rotors, which can cause expensive damage. Next, you can visually inspect the brake pads through the wheel spokes. You should see at least a quarter inch of pad material. If there's less than that, it's time for a replacement. Another sign is if your car pulls to one side when braking, which can indicate uneven pad wear or problems with the brake caliper. You might also feel vibrations through the brake pedal, which can be caused by warped rotors, often a result of driving with worn pads. To replace brake pads, you'll need to jack up the car and remove the wheel. Once the wheel is off, locate the brake caliper, unbolt it, and slide it off the rotor. The old brake pads should easily come out. Insert the new pads, reassemble the caliper, and torque everything back to the manufacturer's specs. Be sure to bed in your new pads by gently braking several times at low speeds to help them seat properly. This ensures the new pads last longer and work more efficiently. Remember, replacing your brake pads on time not only protects your rotors, but also keeps you safe on the road.